This is my last warning to you. From now on, don't you dare come in way of Mrs. Damini Mohan Trivedi, okay?
Oh my, you're completely safe and sound this time.
Mom, this time I am so fine. But Tulsi is not in a good condition.
Damini is so cunning. She tied the protective thread around the wedding dais too. That's why I can't enter inside.
I'm telling you the truth. By listening to this Radha, my ears have started bleeding now. My dear, she has gone outside. She'll come back soon. For her sake, will Mohan leave the wedding like this?
Uncle? Father?
She had been praying to God for so long. What if God came to help her? Really?
It's not God. It's a ghost.
What? A ghost? Hey,
Yes.
what are you waiting for? Let's get out of here. Let's run.
Uncle? Uncle, are you okay?
Radha, it's you. What is all this?
Uncle,
How did I get here?
Uncle, all this. Damini is responsible for this. But you don't need to worry. I came to take you home. Uncle, let's go. Uncle? Uncle! He's not in a condition to move. I must quickly take him home. Anyhow. Yes, Radha. You should take father home quickly. Uncle, you don't have to worry at all. We will reach home soon. You just stay put and hang tight. I have saved Uncle. And now I must stop Mohan's marriage. Uncle! Hey, Lord Krishna!
Mr. Priest, start chanting.
The first vow of the groom and bride signifies that the groom will do everything in his power to always keep the bride happy and will provide for her children with the utmost sincerity. And the bride promises the groom that she will support the groom in his efforts. Now the both of you may begin the first ritual.
Mohan, do it.
Stop, Mohan!
This wedding cannot take place.
What are you saying, Radha? Are you out of your mind? And why are you in such a bad condition? What happened?
I will tell you everything about my condition later. But first, stop this wedding. The wedding cannot take place.
Why can't the wedding take place?
I will tell you the reason.
The ghost has done this. She saved both of them.
Damini is good for neither this family nor Mohan nor Gungun. This woman will ruin this family. And this woman, she will ruin Mohan and Gungun's lives.
Uncle!
Oh, Father.
Mr. Trivedi?
Father, take it easy.
How did Lord Krishna's idol get outside? Brother Ajit,
Yes.
take care of uncle. His condition is very bad. I'll be right back.
Okay, Radha.
Easy.
Father, get hold of yourself. Easy.
Lord Krishna, who put you outside? How did this thread break? Ever since I came here, this thread had always been connected. So today,
Father, watch out. Father, watch out, please.
Are you
Take it
okay?
easy.
I'm okay.
Are you drunk?
Mohan, my son. Please listen to me. Please don't marry this girl.
What are you saying, Mr. Trivedi?
Listen to me, Kadambari. Stop this wedding. This girl, Damini, is not right for Mohan. Otherwise, this girl will destroy our family, our house, and everything else. She will ruin both Mohan and Gungun's lives. Stop this wedding.
What are you saying, Mr. Trivedi? Did you have too much to drink?
Grandpa is right. Grandpa is absolutely right. Please, Dad, don't marry Damini.
Gungun.
Dad, you remember you made a promise to me? You said that if Damini made a false promise, then you wouldn't marry her.
Gungun, I made a promise to Damini.
What if someone took a promise by cheating?
Cheating is wrong. It might result in elimination from the tournament.
But the opposite team has cheated you. Eliminate her from the tournament.
I have learned the truth about Damini. I won't ruin my son's life by marrying her to him. No, not at all. Don't marry her, Mohan. Damini is not good for this family.
I think after drinking too much, his fatherly instincts have awakened. If this old man gets even an impression that we were the one who got him drunk in order to get him abducted, then, my dear, we better leave this house soon. Before people start beating both of us brutally, come, let's move from here.
No, Mom. That cannot happen. I don't understand that. How Radha survived. Who helped her? Tulsi?
Yes, Damini, it's me. You may try all the mystical powers in your arsenal, but there is nothing more powerful than true love in this world.
Before people start beating both of us up, we should run away from here. Let's go.
No, Mom. Today I will marry Mohan anyhow. I have to reveal my final card.
Don't marry her, Mohan. Damini is not the right girl for this family.
Uncle, tell them everything in detail.
What's going on in this house? Why do people always create drama in this house? What nonsense is this, Mr. Trivedi?
Mohan! Don't go out of the altar. It's inauspicious.
Nothing can be more inauspicious than this drama.
Mohan?
Can't you?
Mohan, you don't get down from the altar.
Mom,
No, you won't go anywhere.
Mother, see the ruckus your husband has created. You just please handle that. If I don't get married to Mohan today, I am telling you, I will jump into the fire and end my life. Radha and Mohan will get united, but only after my death.
No.
The media will broadcast the news of an abandoned bride's suicide for a long time. Mohan Trivedi, who was accused of burning his wife alive, his fiancée has also set herself on fire because of him. Will Mohan Trivedi be able to avoid prison this time?
Mom, I must handle Mr. Trivedi. No one can control him.
Mohan, please. I will manage Mr. Trivedi. Don't get down from the altar. Mr. Trivedi, it's enough now. Calm down now.
But Aunt...
Hold on. Don't talk in between. This is a personal matter. Don't you dare interfere between us. Just leave him. Tell me something, Mr. Trivedi. You always knew, isn't it, that Mohan and Damini are supposed to get married? You didn't even utter a word earlier. So why are you opposing it now? It seems that you are too drunk today. That's why you don't know what you are talking about. Let's go to your room. You need to rest for a while. Come with me.
Leave me. You are absolutely right. I am too drunk today. I have had too much today. So what?
But you quit drinking, didn't you?
I didn't drink willingly, Mohan. I was forced to drink.
Oh my, I'll get exposed.
Who forced you?
I hope this oldie doesn't ruin my years of hard work.
Uncle, just tell them.
Tell me, who forced you?
Kadambari has forced me. And not only today, but she forced me to drink for my whole life. What?
No. What are you saying, Father? You know that Mohan can't hear anything against Mother. Please don't say this.
I have become a drunkard because of her today.
Think before talking, Mr. Trivedi. I won't hear anything wrong about my mother.
Wrong? I have been wronged all my life, Mohan. The same will happen to you as well. That's why I'm telling you this. Please don't marry Damini, Mohan. Listen, just the way my son's stepmother created a rift between us, in the same way your daughter's stepmother will separate you two. After all, they're aunt and niece. They are related, Mohan.
Stop it, Mr. Trivedi.
I will not stop, Mohan. I will talk today. Even if I get killed for this, Mohan, I will talk today.
Stop blaming my mother, Mr. Trivedi. I am right here. And I won't tolerate her humiliation.
Forget what has happened in the past, uncle. Tell him what happened to you today. Tell them what happened today. Come on, uncle.
My present is worse than my past, dear Radha. All of this only because of this woman.
Radha wants to say something. But what is that? Radha, if father continues blaming mother like this, then Mohan won't listen. Ask him to talk about Damini. Ask him to tell what happened.
How did you find Dad? He wasn't here since this morning. That's what
I didn't even want to come here. I didn't want to attend this wedding. I wasn't needed. I wasn't here since this morning. Has anyone here missed me at all? I am thankful to Radha that she brought me here. But what would I have done coming here? No one cares for me here in this family. My entire family has become enemy because of this woman.
Why are you attending our wedding then? You shouldn't have. Everyone was happy.
Mohan!
I was lost on the day of my son's wedding, my son. I wouldn't have come here, but Radha brought me here so that I can stop this wedding.
Mohan.
You don't need to glare at Radha, Mohan. She wishes only good for you and this family.
Why isn't Pumpkin saying anything? I need to do something. I need to think of something, otherwise this oldie won't let me get married.
I am here only to tell you that the mistake I made, Mohan, you shouldn't make that same mistake again.
Kadambari, handle your drunkard husband. Otherwise, my daughter will commit suicide before getting married.
Mr. Trivedi, that means that Mr. Trivedi, what you told me in the hospital the other day, that I am a perfect mother and an ideal mother to Mohan, it was a lie.
There have been differences between us for some years now. But I have always believed that you have been a very good mother to Mohan Kadambari. No. That was right. You were a perfect mother to Mohan. You have always been the right mother to Mohan. But you did all this intentionally, Kadambari. You kept Mohan under your thumbs because you wanted to take him away from me. You became a mother to Mohan. But you stopped me from becoming a father, Kadambari.
The way this old man is talking against Kadambari, Radha's plan will be spoiled and Mohan himself will do it.
You tell me, Mohan. Do you remember if I ever dropped you to school in your school days? Do you remember? Did I ever feed you breakfast, Mohan? Because Kadambari never let me get close to you, Mohan.
Mr. Trivedi, you could have done all that you're saying now. Only when you would have stopped drinking.
Mohan?
If a father is drunk all the time, what kind of father is he? Huh?
The reason I started drinking was that she took you away from me, Mohan. Do you get it? Otherwise, a man who was so religious, the man who used to print religious books, how can he all of a sudden become a drunkard?
What are you trying to say? I have never tried to take Mohan away from you. I swear on my Lord Krishna that all my life I have only been trying to bring Mohan and you closer. Tell me, Mohan, what could I have done?
Mom.
He used to fight with you always on little things. So I had to interfere every time to save you from him. Tell me if I was wrong in doing that.
If a son doesn't respect his father, if a son calls his father by his name, what could the father do? Mohan, when Gungun calls you by your name, how bad do you feel, Mohan?
That's a different thing. I try all the time to mend my relationship with my daughter. I've not become a drunkard like you.
I also try to maintain my relationship with you, Mohan. But what can I do if you don't remember that? That's why I'm telling you that the mistake that I made, please don't make the same mistake, Mohan. Kadambari didn't have anything to do with me. In the same way, Damini does not care about Gungun at all.
I see.
Father is right, Mohan.
Uncle, forget all that. Tell him what happened to you today. Tell them. Everything will get clear later or sooner. Mohan will break this marriage, but tell him what happened today, Uncle.
What do you mean?
Uncle, please tell him what happened, please.
Come on, Father.
What are you talking about, Radha? I don't remember anything.
Father? The alcohol has ruined everything. I feared this would happen. Father, you...
This is the right time to pin the blame on Radha. After that, Mohan will ruin her plan.
What are you doing, Damini? Why are you opening the knot?
Because, Mom, this knot is not more important to me than you. He has been humiliating you for long and I won't tolerate that. Ever since I was little, I have seen her only spreading love within the family. What is she getting in return? I can't take all this. And you, Radha, how could you create a rift between mother and father?
You don't need to misbehave with Radha, Damini. Mohan, whether you believe it or not, when you will get married to Damini Mohan, she will take Gungun far away from you. You will lose your daughter Gungun forever, Mohan.
Father? What are you saying, Father? I love Mohan and Gungun equally. Can't you see that? My family is incomplete without Gungun, Father. I want to become Mohan's wife, but I want to become Gungun's mother too, Father. Why don't you understand?
You are lying! You hate me!
Gungun and Dad are right. I'm also trying to say that this Damini is...
Dear Lord! Oh my, you're blaming my family for every given thing, Vishwanath. I mean, my sister is wrong. I am wrong. My daughter is also wrong. If you have anything to comment about my parents, if that is also left, then please do that also. Our whole family is wrong, isn't it? If you did not like my daughter Damini, then you should have told us earlier. In this way, during the ceremony, why did you come and stop the rituals? Did you think even once that because of this act of yours, what will my daughter go through? What will happen to her life?
The way Kadambari lied to me the whole life, in the same way, Damini is also lying to you, Mohan.
Mohan, you just please stop, Father. He's talking nonsense about mother.
Will you let Uncle talk, Sister Damini? Uncle, just calm down and try to remember what happened to you today. Just try to remember what happened to you today.
Have you lost it, Radha? What do you gain out of it? What do you want to achieve by creating a rift between mother and father?
Damini, you won't succeed in avoiding the topic today. The truth will be revealed today.
Both of you keep quiet. And enough. Now you won't say a word about my mom, Mr. Trivedi.
Mohan, don't talk to father like this.
But
Did you hear that? This is what happened to me. No one cared as long as I was on the receiving end. But once I said few harsh words to your mom, you began to boil with rage. This woman took everything from me, Mohan. I am like a piece of furniture in my own house because of this woman. This woman has ruined my life. This woman is not a saint. She is a witch, Mohan. She is a witch.
How dare you?
Uncle!
How dare you call my mom such names, Mr. Trivedi? My mom is not a bad person. But you are no less than a monster. You wasted your life as a good-for-nothing alcoholic. My mom took over every responsibility. She looked after you as well as me. In fact, she even looked after your business. But you kept cursing her, and still she has treated you like a god. She didn't take anything from you. She has only given you everything. And she is the one who raised me. She looked after me during every challenge I faced. She made me capable to take your place. She hasn't poisoned my mind against you. What do you want from me? Do you want me to sing your praises? After what my mom did for me, I can never repay her debt, not in this lifetime or in any other. She didn't just give me a mother's love. She even protected me like a father. And if Damini loves Gungun half as much as my mom loves me, Gungun will be very happy.
But Mohan...
Radha, enough. I didn't expect anything from him, but today, even you shattered all my hopes. My mom has tears in her eyes because of him.
Mohan...
I don't want to hear anything, Radha.
Mohan, just listen to Radha once. Listen to what she has to say. Just hear her out.
If you didn't want to attend the wedding, why did you bring him here? Didn't you see what happened?
But Mohan, listen to me once.
I don't want to hear anything. Mr. Trivedi, I am getting married today. Stop me if you can. Let's go, Damini.
Mohan, stop!
Please begin the ceremony.
Uncle!
Father?
Mr. Trivedi?
Mom, forget it, please.
But Mohan...
He's inebriated. He will be fine in some time. Can't even stand properly and asking me to take a stand. Please start the ceremony.
Mohan, listen to me once. Mohan!
Please, Dad, listen to Radha once. Don't get married to Damini.
I won't listen to anyone now. Neither you nor Radha.
Mohan...
Ajit, please take him inside.
Yes, mother.
Mohan, you are about to make a big mistake. Don't get married to Damini.
All my sacrifices will finally pay off, Mom. No one can stop me from marrying Mohan now.
Now please start the ceremony.
You can't get married.
What do you mean by saying that? What are you saying, sir?
Why can't they get married, Mr. Priest?
Because the auspicious time has passed. The auspicious period starts after 4 hours. We need to wait till then. Kadambari, you were the one who told me that we need to take care of every ritual for this wedding. I'm just doing my job.
At least we have 4 hours now. Perhaps Radha will find a chance to talk to Mohan.
Thank you, Lord Krishna. I'm glad that you stopped the wedding. I will find a way to talk to Mohan.
4 hours? In these 4 hours, that Radha will find out 40 ways to stop your wedding. Do something, Damini. Do something.
Sir, you see, half the ceremony is already done, so we should finish the remaining rituals too.
And even otherwise, priest, God is not sitting with a watch checking whether the time is auspicious or not. Yes, when the bride and the bridegroom are ready, then let's begin with the ceremony. Come on.
No, sister. The wedding will take place during the auspicious time. We have faced enough hurdles for this wedding. Now I don't want any other bad omen.
But Kadambari...
I want you all to go to your rooms right now. We will do the wedding ceremony again after 4 hours as Mr. Priest said.
But Mom,
Mohan, I wish to be left alone for some time.
Mom, you will...
Radha, use these 4 hours to tell Mohan the truth about Damini. Go and talk to Mohan quickly.
Mom, no matter what happens, Mohan will not stop this wedding. Mother, what are you doing here?
Yes, I am here. You are absolutely right, Damini. Now Mohan won't call off this wedding. That's why you did all this, right?
What did I do?
Spend your time trying to fool someone who doesn't know you. Mr. Trivedi and Radha both were absent from the house together. That is not a coincidence. And both of them came back together. That's not a coincidence either. Why did you do this, Damini? You were the one who got Mr. Trivedi drunk, right? Where was he? And why did Radha go looking for him? Tell me. And what was Radha trying to tell me?
Mother, how would I know that?
Are you trying to tell me that you had absolutely nothing to do with it? Don't make your lie so obvious that it becomes unbelievable.
It's nothing of that sort, Kadambari.
It's okay, sister. I am not here to ask you for an explanation. All I am trying to tell you is that the wedding is happening. Mohan will surely get married to Damini. But please leave Radha alone, that's it.
This wedding is going to happen. The wedding hasn't happened yet. Until I get married to Mohan, I can't be reassured because I know that Radha won't give up. She will surely do something to stop this wedding.
I am telling you for the last time, Damini. Please don't try to hurt anyone else.
Mom,
Kadambari, we are not doing anything to anyone. You need to be rest assured. Go to your husband. What if he starts consuming alcohol again? Then he'll start abusing you again. Go, take care of him.
Mohan, just listen to me once. After that, I won't bother you.
I won't listen to anything. Leave my hand now.
Mohan, I won't leave your hand until you listen to me, okay?
You can't force me. I don't want to talk to you.
Please listen to me.
See, I am very upset, Radha. I don't want to say something to you. Leave my
Listen to me
I
once.
don't want to.
Mohan, listen to me. Ah!
Hey, Radha, what are you doing? You got hurt. Are you badly hurt?
Yes. Why did you shut the door?
It's a door and it is supposed to be shut. Let me see your hand. Why did you put your hand over there? Just wait a moment.
Mom, I hope Radha doesn't use her wound as an excuse to tell Mohan. Let's go. That Tulsi.
Because of the promise I made to Mohan, I can't hurt you directly. But I can do this.
Mohan, please listen to me.
Keep your hand away.
Mohan.
Very good, Mohan. You did what I supposed to do. I didn't have to do anything.
Mohan means the world to you and you can never go against him, Mom. It feels as if though we mean nothing to you compared to Mohan and we are completely irrelevant to you. Maybe that's why. That's the only reason why you have ended up like this.
I wonder what Radha wanted to tell me. She had been wanting to talk to me for a long time. She has never so worried.
Now there's only one way out. I will have to tell Radha that Damini is blackmailing mother. Only then she'll try to stop the wedding.
Mohan and I will get married in 15 minutes. You won't be able to do anything after that.
I don't need to do anything. Now your wedding will be called off.